Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. We're going to make a really easy lentil salad today. I'm not going to keep you long at all. So I've got some lentils there. I'm using these brown lentils which I've cooked. I've got like 2 cups of cooked lentils, and then we're going to add to that some tomato, parsley, mint, green olives, bell peppers. There's a few different colours in there as well. Some onion, chilli, and green or spring onions. This is really simple, and you can really play around with these guys. You can add different stuff if you want. Okay, so I've got a mixing bowl, and as you can see, I've got my cooked lentils in there. Simply, let's add what we've got. So, chilli. I've taken all the seeds out of those, and some of you might not like chilli in there, so you can, skip that if you want. Chopped onion, everything cut really nice and small. Tomato. The bell peppers, nice bit of colour and sweetness. The olives, I've got these green olives. You could use black olives in there if you wanted. A little bit of green onion, spring onion, or scallion, whatever you call them. And then 2 herbs, fresh mint and fresh parsley. Simply, I'm going to give that a mix, and after that we're going to make a very simple dressing. Okay, so let's add a little mix on it. Very simply, let's get some salt on there. Black pepper. And then our dressing is going to be really simple. Equal parts of lemon juice and oil. I'm using a nice olive oil there. In they go. For this amount, I've used like half a cup of each. One more mix and we're done. Okay, and that's it. Super easy. Like I say, didn't take long at all. If you wanted maybe some chopped garlic in there, play around with it. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.